This is the LG G8x ThinQ dual screen smartphone and a quick unboxing of the same. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the LG G8x ThinQ priced at 55,000 rupees as the regular price with the MRP of 70,000 rupees, but I got it for 22,000 and for that price there is surely nothing to complain about. This is a dual screen smartphone, a newer technology, a technology that many brands haven't still got into, and LG has done its own style of offering the dual screen here. So let's check out what comes in the box. You have 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, a fully packed device, and you have this complimentary box. Of course, without this, it doesn't even have any meaning for that dual screen because this is that case with the dual screen. Let's open that later. For now, this is the box, the official box, DTS:X audio, Meridian support, and now open this up and you'll first notice the smartphone, which I have been using for a couple of days now, and I just kept it back for this special unboxing. This is the G8x ThinQ, and one thing to notice, it has a dual camera setup, not more than that. You have seen 3 cameras, 4 cameras, and even more than that in some of those unique smartphones in the market, but this one has a regular and a wide angle camera setup with the dual LED or the dual tone flash setup there, G8x ThinQ branding over here, some of the certifications, and otherwise this is quite a light and a very handy device in the hand. So it's not that heavy, it's not that thick, and it's not even that large. It's very handy. I mean, not with the gloves, but even for a regular hand, it is actually quite handy. Now, apart from that, one thing you would notice here is that the phone doesn't come with a charger. So that was one clause from the company, that when we are putting up this phone on sale, you won't see the charger inside the box, and this is what it is. We haven't removed anything here. This is the empty area, so that's what you see here. There is no charger. You might have to buy one separately, but otherwise I'll show you how it works. This has the USB Type-C cable, so in case you have a charger handy at your place, you surely won't have to buy one right now. And doesn't really make sense to not offer a charger because you have these kind of premium earphones inside the box package. I don't know why you don't have a charger, but it could be something about the certifications, but you don't get it in the end. So that's the only compromise in the entire package of smartphone. You have the quick start guides and you have the transparent rubber cover in case you are using only the smartphone and not the dual screen option there. So this is the notch display over the front. You have the OLED display, and this has a full HD plus resolution, and you have the USB Type-C port and the speaker as well as the 3.5mm headset jack. Nothing is really missing out. Everything is perfectly given here. Now this is what makes the LG G8x ThinQ the G8x ThinQ, the dual screen option. So this is the real deal. Why this phone is totally worth that 22,000 rupees price tag. It was actually on the 20,000 rupees price tag for the first sale, but I did miss it out thinking that there won't be a lot of units for sale. They did sell a lot of them, but then I realized I should get one to actually check it out and check out how well did LG offer everything here. So this thing is something that you shouldn't miss out on. I'll show you that as well, but this is just a covering. It comes with that area that gives you the time and date and those notifications in this place. Nothing else is going to show up here. The LG dual screen branding, and this is the actual display. The inner one is the display, and this is that charging adapter. So this is the pin. When you have the phone placed inside the case, you don't see the Type-C here. You have the magnetic pin area, and this is quite a strong one. So you can see how strong is this. It actually would jump in right into that place and would sit there for the Type-C charging. So this adapter has the Type-C input, and now placing it again is not hard at all. Just push it here and then push it down. You have your smartphone placed. So now once we lift this up, you have the option of turning on the dual screen display here. Turn on, and you have the dual screen turned on right here. Now Three things that I noticed here. First thing is that this isn't only the flat display. This is much more than that. You have this at 360 degrees angle. You can have it placed entirely here and it would turn off the display, or you can have this turned on if you wanted to. So for people who want to replicate a screen and want to have two people reading it, one on the other side, one on this side, it's easy. You can have that turned on as well. But usually for users to prevent any mistouches, if you open this up, this would turn off the display. And bring it back here, you can have it for typing, you can have it for games, you can have it as a gamepad. I would do a separate entire video about the gamepad because that's one very interesting part. You can have the entire controls on the gamepad area and then play games like Asphalt 9, but that would be given a full demo of separately. And the dual screen of course has its own app drawer. You can choose to hide the app drawer, but why would you? You can actually have things like the camera application. Once you capture something, it would give you a preview on the left side when you tap on this one. You want to watch the picture that was captured, you just can watch it on the left side. So that's the advantage, but this was just a small advantage. There are much more things that you can do on the dual screen, but the best part is it's very easy to use. It's not like those foldable smartphones where you keep worried about that crease and getting deeper or getting damaged. There's nothing like that. This is just a case with a foldable front, and you see here, this is that area where you see the time and also the date and also the notifications and also the battery indicator. So this is the area that would light up, and this smartphone also has an always on display, so you can actually see that always on with the customizable options again. So that's it. This has the fast charging support, but you need to buy the fast charger separately. It has a 3.5mm headset jack, the speaker, and this is going to be that handy tool. Do not lose this one. If you lose this one, then there's no point of having the case, because charging it would always need you to remove the smartphone from its place. So this was the quick unboxing and a demo of the LG dual screen, that's LG G8x ThinQ smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.